Here's a quick look at some of the new skybook updates. A bespoke keyboard has been introduced for the ATIS and ATC clearance fields. In the pre-flight, in-flight and post-flight sections, the keyboard is divided into 6 sections, including runway designations for departure and arrival airfields, a simplified QWERTY keyboard, sky coverage codes, weather phenomena codes, flight level and squawk inputs, and a number pad. This new keyboard streamlines data entry and improves input speed for users. The pre-flight section now includes 2 new fields, Security Search and NOTOC. The Security Search field automatically populates with the flight number and departure airfield from the aircraft's previous flight, allowing users to quickly complete and sign off the security search. The NOTOC field allows users to add comments or take a photo of the NOTOC document. Both sets of information are synchronized with sector data reports in the Skybook ground portal. Users can now favourite modules from the left-hand menu and add them as quick links on the summary page for faster access. Once a sector has been accepted, simply swipe right on a module and tap the star icon to add it to your favourites. You can add up to 10 quick links to the summary page. To remove a favourite module, hold down on the quick link and tap the X, or remove it from the side panel by tapping the star icon again. Delay codes now include a built-in search function. When you tap the delay code field, the keyboard appears. As you begin typing, a drop-down list of matching delay codes will automatically appear, helping you quickly find the correct code. The camera functionality within the EFB has also been enhanced. Users can now retake photos, access a gallery, change aspect ratio, crop images, and add labels. Photos can also be emailed directly from the device. All photos and labels will be automatically transmitted to the ground portal when the voyage is signed off. A condensed version of the FMS Route Check is now available. The route data is taken from Field 15 of the ATC flight plan, allowing all waypoints to be confirmed with a single tick box, rather than ticking each waypoint individually. Building on improvements from a previous release, voyage data signed off while the device is offline will now automatically transmit to the Skybook ground portal once an internet connection is restored. An amber status icon on the locally saved screen indicates that data is waiting to be transmitted. Once transmission is successful, the icon will change to green. In addition to editable fuel data and times, admin users can now edit delay reports and navlog entries within the sector data screen of the record vault using the admin edit option. Users must enter a reason for the change before confirming, and a full audit history of edits is maintained. The record vault now reflects your EFB configuration settings, displaying only the fields and labels selected in the EFB for a cleaner and more relevant view. Fields that are hidden in the EFB will no longer appear in the record vault. The EFB configuration version number is also now displayed in the record vault sector summary. The return to ramp and return from airborne columns in record vault can now be filtered. In the sector history screen, click the ellipsis on the column header, select filter, choose return to ramp or return from airborne and set it to true, making it easier to identify flights that have returned. You can access the full list of updates in our release notes on our website bytron.aero or through the drop-down menu in the ground portal.